Every bottle begins in fields where watermelons reach peak sweetness under the morning sun. Only the finest fruit is chosen for large-scale juice production.
Freshly harvested melons are gathered for rapid transport.
Speed is essential to preserve freshness from field to factory. Massive harvest volumes move continuously toward processing centers. Every shipment is received under strict production schedules. Quality control begins long before processing starts. Approved fruit enters the factory's continuous production flow. Thousands of watermelons begin their journey through the plant. The transformation starts as raw harvest meets industrial processing. Powerful washing systems remove every trace of the field. Every surface is rinsed before processing can begin. Controlled airflow prepares the fruit for inspection. Automation evaluates thousands of fruits with remarkable precision.
Uniform sizing ensures consistency throughout production.
Human expertise supports every automated decision. Production flow is carefully balanced before extraction begins.
The fruit now enters the heart of the factory. Precision feeding ensures smooth operation at industrial scale.
With preparation complete, juice extraction is ready to begin. The journey from fruit to juice begins with precise mechanical cutting. Fresh fruit advances toward large-scale extraction systems.
Efficient separation maximizes usable fruit for production.
Thousands of kilograms move continuously toward processing. Crushing prepares the fruit for maximum juice recovery. A controlled flow keeps production moving without interruption. Advanced extraction systems recover the fruit's natural liquid.
Unwanted solids are removed to improve consistency.
Careful filtration refines the juice without losing freshness. Now collected, the juice is ready for its next transformation. The extracted juice moves into the factory's advanced processing systems. Careful control ensures consistency from batch to batch.
Uniform blending creates a consistent product at industrial scale.
Every parameter is tracked to maintain precise production standards. Safety and stability become the focus of the next process. Pasteurization protects quality while maintaining freshness. Sterile storage keeps the product protected before packaging. Automation connects every stage into one continuous process. After processing, the juice is ready to enter its final form. Precision packaging begins as containers enter the production line. Every bottle receives the exact volume required. Secure sealing protects freshness from factory to consumer. Automated controls ensure every seal meets specification. Vision systems inspect thousands of bottles every hour. Brand identity is applied with industrial precision. Every package receives a complete production history. Individual bottles become retail-ready multi-packs. Protective packaging prepares the product for distribution. The final packaged product moves toward large-scale distribution. Even after packaging, every batch must prove its quality. Traceability connects every sample to its production history.
Appearance offers the first indication of product consistency.
Natural sweetness is measured with scientific precision. Balanced acidity helps preserve both flavor and quality. Safety testing protects every consumer who opens a watermelon bottle. Packaging must perform as reliably as the product itself. Only approved batches are cleared for distribution.
With approval granted, the finished product can move forward.
The journey now enters its final stage before delivery. Thousands of finished products await their journey to consumers. Every pallet is tracked with precision from storage to delivery. Customer orders trigger the final movement through the facility. Careful coordination keeps distribution running efficiently.
The finished product is now ready to leave the factory.
Every load is secured to protect quality during transport. From one factory, millions of bottles begin their journey outward. A vast supply chain carries the product toward consumers. What began as a field harvest has become a finished beverage enjoyed worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce watermelon juice from start to finish.